Hello everyone, I hope you are great. Today we are going to talk about ESLDO lesson 1.31 paragraph writing. So important in the ESLDO. Let's start it. Chapter 3, lesson 13.1 talking about paragraph writing and topic sentence. And style 2, writing is the like bolding and writing using the word as the metrical for the bolding sentence or the contracted of the words and paragraph or the contracted of the sentence easy stories article later and many other topics of the writing or the pilot of the paragraph, and therefore how to create effective paragraph in the longer work of the writing is important to know. And let's go and the next. This one, the design is so interesting. I like it so many. Reading this one, I love it. And the next one, what is the paragraph? And a paragraph is a grouped sentence. One main idea. Important that this lesson is paragraph. Paragraph is grow up the sentence. One main idea. And when writing the paragraph usually has a topic sentence expressing the main idea sentence in the today body offering details to develop or illustrate this main idea, also known as the supporting sentence and concluding sentence. This one the talking about paragraph, and this one taught you some example. And go next. Paragraph extract a paragraph consequenced of three parts: the topic sentence, the body, and the closing sentence. Here is writing topic sentence, body sentence, and concluding sentence. And the next, read and complete the following worksheet. Here we have one worksheet, and we should writing and so big and so long worksheet. And me, I finish it and I can open. Sorry. And let's go. End of the lesson, and I hope you understand this lesson. And if you like this video, please save, share, and follow me. Thank you. See you next time. Take care. Bye.